Discover your musical potential on Yannis Kapa Guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. We're starting a new video series. This time we're going to talk about bar chords. Straight up bar chords, natural ones, sharp ones, flat ones, major ones and minor ones, anything you can imagine up on the fretboard. Today, in this week's video, we're going to learn about F Major Bar Chord. So guys, F Major Bar Chord. So the key here in the bar chords is to have a good grip with your first finger when you're pressing the bar chord. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's get started with the finger positions. So you put on the first fret your whole finger throughout the whole fretboard, okay? And then you put your second finger on second fret, third string. You put your third finger on third fret, fifth string. And then you put your pinky finger on fourth string, third fret. And that's your F major bar chord. Now the best way to do this is always put your first finger, okay, right here close to the line of the first fret, and then you press a little bit towards the side, towards that direction, in order to have a good grip on it. Then you put the finger position that I showed you, okay, and then here your thumb should be around the middle. You see how a cross is for my first finger? Very close, not quite, but to have a good grip. This is to have a good grip on your bar chord, okay? People do this many times. Never ever do that. You will never have control, plus you're gonna put too much strain on your wrist, and then you're gonna have other problems health-wise, which is gonna limit you exactly your technical ability and your skills in order to play bar chords or any kind of other guitar skill that you want to develop. So always have your thumb in the middle of the fretboard, okay? And then you just have a good grip on the notes, and this is what you get. You get clear sound. Remember also, your fingertips should be these ones here. You see the signs here that I have? This is because of the strings that I press, okay? You create calluses. So you use your fingertips. Your fingertips should be like hammers, right? So that's how you get the clear sound. And of course, the fingertips should not touch the adjacent strings, not the top ones or the below ones. Okay. Another thing, I always show you this because you need to remember when you have, as you can see, the thumb in the middle of the fretboard, that gives you space here between the fingers, okay? You need to have that space in order to have that flexibility, because if you don't, if you have it like this, as you can see now, you don't have a good grip. Your fingers do not have space, and therefore they cannot be flexible in order to press firmly, so you can get that control of the sound, so you can get clearly as possible. And that, my friends, this is the F Major Bar Chord. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.